Etsy is a global marketplace for unique and creative goods. Although it's primarily known for handmade and vintage items, digital products are also quite popular. Here are some AI-driven digital product ideas that could be implemented on Etsy for the rest of 2023. AI art designs utilize AI to create unique digital artwork, such as prints, digital paintings, or graphic designs that buyers can download and print at home. Personalized song creator, an AI-driven tool that composes personalized songs for special occasions based on input from the buyer about mood, occasion, favorite instruments, etc. AI-assisted knitting/crochet patterns use AI to generate unique knitting or crochet patterns based on color, size, and style preferences. Custom typography generator, an AI-driven tool that creates custom typography or calligraphy designs for invitations, signage, and more. Personalized story generator, an AI tool that creates personalized stories for children or adults based on character names, favorite themes, and other preferences. AI-generated jewelry designs create unique jewelry designs with AI that buyers can download and use for 3D printing. Digital planner or journal generator, an AI-driven digital tool that customizes planners, journals, or diaries based on the user's goals, schedules, and preferences. Custom logo designer, a tool that uses AI to create unique logos based on business industry, color preferences, and style. AI-generated home decor designs create unique printable designs for home decor, such as wall art, decals, or textiles patterns. Personalized recipe generator, an AI-powered tool that suggests recipes based on specific dietary preferences, allergies, or ingredients the user wants to include or avoid. These ideas can provide innovative solutions and products for Etsy customers, while taking advantage of the growing AI technology trend. Remember that when implementing AI, it's important to consider and respect user privacy and data usage ethics. Liked the video? Hit the like button, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more products inspiration. Until next time, Etsy is a global marketplace